So this sonar stands for sound, SO, sound, N, navigation, A, and R, ranging. So sonar is an instrument which is fitted in the submarines, ships, and they emit, you know, highly energetic rays, or that is rays having high frequency. So
Sir,
ultrasonic waves, they have frequency more than,
sir,
yes.
सर इससे एक्वेटिक एनिमल्स को मतलब कुछ होता है डैमेज या फिर नहीं होता?
No, they are no damage, because they are pass for very fraction of time, because they travel at very high speed, so it is pass for very small fraction of time. It may cause danger, but as ultrasonic waves, they have very high frequency. That is, their frequency have more than 20,000 hertz. They can vibrate up to 20,000 in 1 second. So they can, they go very far away, they return back. So in the sonar, ultrasonic waves or high energetic waves, they are, so ultrasonic waves, they are allowed to flow in a direction or particular direction we want to locate. So they are sent. So ultrasonic wave signals, we can say signals are sent, and if there is any object, what happens? They strike, and again it is reflected. It is reflected in the same direction toward this sonar, or toward the this object. And so there is here there is the emitter of ultrasonic waves, and here there is the receiver. So receiver receive the signal. Receivers receive the signals, and so it amplifies, and it gives a clear picture. It gives clear picture of the object which is in inside the sea. So next part is music and noise. So first I'm going to explain about music. So music, say music is pleasant. So there is the regularity in music. There is the regularity. There is the synchronization of the music notes. So music may be defined as a sound having the regular pattern. So it may be defined as when there is the regularity in the pattern of sound. Regularity in the pattern of sound. When the sound is regular, then it is said to be music. So there is the amplitude remains constant, or it is made constant. It is not always at very high level. Its pitch is audible, or there is the regularity, and we can listen the sound. So how? Here there is mean axis, and so here there is the real motion. So like this. In some cases it may rise then it it becomes like this. So this is sound. There is regularity in most of the cases. There is the regularity in the pattern. So this is these are what this indicates. This indicates this is what amplitude. This is amplitude. So the strength of the strength remains constant. Amplitude remains constant. So amplitude remains constant. Initially, it increases, but it is for very, a small time period. Like, in rock concerts, what happened? Suddenly it rises, then it comes down. So this is the music. So music is pleasant to us, even if it is, a rock, rock band or rock performance is there. So again, it increases, becomes normal. So this is music. So music is pleasant. But keep in mind that it is pleasant to listen. So it is pleasant. It is pleasant to listen. It is pleasant. It is pleasing. We enjoy. We are in the comfort. So this is about the music. लिखे सभी लोग? It may be defined as the unwanted, unpleasant pattern, unwanted, unpleasant pattern of sound. Unpleasant, it is not pleasant. That we cannot tolerate sound, then it is said to be, noise. Our ears cannot, receive easily. We are not in the comfort zone. So here it is always able to create problems in listening. So if it is unable to soothe there is no soothing effect. We are, uncomfortable. We are not at comfort. We are not at comfort. Means our ears cannot, tolerate very heavy sound. Again, very high, very low, very high, very low. Regularity, the amplitude is very high. Amplitude is very high. How we can draw it? The graph. Here, axis. There is always axis. Axis, there is in the center. There is displacement. Here there is no displacement. Zero displacement. Zero displacement. So again, sound, so very high. Like this, this amplitude. This is A. This is amplitude. So what you can say? Amplitude is very high, and so it is uncomfortable. So this is about the noise and the sound. बोलो.
अरे सर वो गलती से हो गया था रेज हैंड.
नहीं कोई बात नहीं, हो जाता है. और कनिष्का तो सोते रहते, कुछ बोलती नहीं. कनिष्का कहाँ है? कनिष्का जब दिखा तू कैसे दिख रही है, थोड़ी मोटी हुई क्या, दुबली है? कनिष्का दिखा अपना चेहरा, दिखा जरा, देखो मैं। कनिष्का,
हाँ सर।
हाँ बेटा दिखा, थोड़ा देखो तेरे को। तू काली हो गई, गोरी है, मोटी है, कैसे दुबली, और दुबली हो गई। अपने आप तुम लोग डेली एक को दिखाना चाहिए कि सब देखो हम कैसे हैं, वी आर हेल्दी, वी आर हैविंग गुड फूड। कोई पूछता नहीं मेरे बारे में कि सर आप कैसे हो, कैसा चल रहा है। नो बडी आस्क मी। रूहान
सर
करता
आप तो
है।
दिख जाते हो ना सामने ही।
अच्छा, रूहान तो डेली पूछता है।
यस सर।
ऑलमोस्ट रूहान डेली। आई शुड परसीव रूहान डेली पूछता है
सर क्या
तकरीबन।
पूछता है?
कौन?
सर क्या पूछता है?
बस
रूहान क्या
सर आप
पूछता
कैसे
है?
हैं, हैव अ गुड डे, इतना तो बहुत है बेटा। कनिष्का दिखा रहे चेहरा? कनिष्का चलो बेटा, चलो ठीक है, चलो बात देखिए, ठीक है, जस्ट जोकिंग। अब बेटा इसमें बात करेंगे कि जैसे आपको पता होगा साउंड हमेशा फायदेमंद नहीं होता। साउंड क्या होता है? साउंड साउंड इट इज डेंजरस ऑल्सो। Sound is dangerous also, because when we are in front of DJ, we are in front of loudspeaker, what happens? It becomes very much difficult, and our blood pressure becomes high. सबको पता होगा कि जब भी हम सामने जाते हैं डीजे के, we feel not comfortable, we are not at comfort, we are uncomfortable, because it directly sounds the sound, the amplitude is very high, very highly energetic, so it affects our ears. So eardrum is affected, and everything collected by the information by the brain, and as a result of this we are not at comfort. So we'll see later on. So first we'll see the minimizing, how we minimize sound. So sound, so first point in the vehicles, silencers are fitted. Silencers are fitted to minimize the sound. Everyone must be knowing, whether it is motorcycle or car or bike or scooter, all the vehicles are having the silencer. You must know this, because silencers are devised in such a manner that they allow very little sound. They have different mechanism. They have different mechanism to check the sound. They allow smoke. How sound comes, how sound is produced by the vehicles, because the combustion of fuel, it is very high level. So inside the silencers, lot many plates are there, metal plates are there, metal cylinders are there to control the level of sound. So this is one. Now second is, in cinema halls, auditoriums, there are false ceiling. False ceiling. Must knowing, the ceiling is slightly lower down, and ceiling is made up of different materials which absorb the sound, like composite material. Wooden plates are there, wooden planks are there, thermocol is used which absorb. So ceilings, walls have very light materials, like wooden planks, wooden planks, or suitable absorbers. They absorb. We use, curtains in our homes. Why? So curtains have different functions. Curtains have, different functions. Curtains not only, control the dust of the, light, but then it controls sound also. Nowadays, in our homes, cleaning is going on. Cleaning is going on. Have you noticed this? When your family members remove curtains or sofas, or they shift the some belongings outside the home for cleaning, what happens? There is an echo in the sound pattern. You know this? This is because of the vacancy in the room. We vacate the room. So you have to write down that. Let's find by planting trees at different places along with highways. It is nothing that we plant trees in the highways. It is one aspect that they minimize the pollution. Second, they absorb sound also. Sound is absorbed also. Sound produced by the vehicles which move at very high speed, they produce lot of sound. So sound is stopped also. That's why government has made mandatory to plant the trees. And you must have seen in between the median. Do you know median? The central point. In the median, there are the trees also, bushes also. Have you noticed this? Bushes are there. Bushes are also planted. Bushes are also planted to lower down the pollution of sound. So these are some of the important points of the sound. What are the ways to minimize the sound? So these are the 4 ways. Or you can say you may write one more point. Fifth point: unnecessary use of forms. Unnecessary use of forms. You might have noticed some person keep on making noise in the vehicle. So unnecessary use of forms must be discouraged. So these are some of the important points which we can minimize the noise. Then there can be sound protectors. Sound protectors, like earbuds. Earbuds we can use. Earbuds. So earbuds are also there. Not for the speaker purpose, but they prevent the sound to enter our ear. Earbuds, helmets. Helmets. When we use helmet, wear helmets, so we are at the comfort. We cannot listen sound in very large amount. So these are the some of the important points. Now coming to last section of this chapter, that is the dangers or hazards or dangers of sound. So sound, when it is at very high pitch, it makes us uncomfortable. We are not at the comfort. So number one is blood pressure. Blood pressure increases. There is increase in the blood pressure due to sound. Sound irritates as it affects it affects the brain, ear, the effects. So this is about the one point of the sound. This is done. Second, it is able to cause restlessness. We are not at comfort. We become restless. Because sound irritates our nervous system, and it irritates our nervous system. It irritates our nervous system. So this is then it may affect the unborn babies in mother's womb. Will you surprised to know the babies which are not born and which are in the mother's womb, mother uterus, they are also affected because of this vibration. The amplitude becomes very high, and suddenly so mother gets the signals. Mother's blood pressure increases. Mother is not at comfort. So what happens? The child is likely to be affected because child is connected. Child is connected by the mother's blood. So all the signals, all the emotions, they are transferred to the baby. So this is all about this chapter.